Hey, what's going on, guys? We have this question right here. It's asking use Cramer's rule to find the solution of the following system of equations. So I show you how to use the Cramer's rule. First of all, I would like to take the matrix form of this question. So let's write this one. So if I take, it's going to be 1, 1, 1 minus 2, and it's going to be 1, 3 minus 1, and this is going to be 2, 1 minus 5, and we have these things 2, 4, 5. So what we have to do is, uh, so we have they have given the answer, so I'm going to show you how did they get this answer. So first of all, we have to find x, y, z separately in order to do the Cramer's rule. So what I have to do is, first of all, if I want to find the x, I have to switch these numbers, these three numbers, with this one, the x value, x components. If you see, this is going to be x, this is going to be y, this is going to be z, right? So I'm going to switch this value with x when I find the x. So determinant of the swapped one, it's going to be 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 1, and this is going to be minus 2, minus 1, minus 5. So determinant of this one over determinant of the original one, the one we had before, it's going to be 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5. So this is my formula. So if I do the first, I solve for the first one and see what happens. So first of all, if I find the determinant of this one, uh, this is going to be like plus, minus, plus. Same thing here, plus, minus, plus, right? So if I take the 2, I had to get rid of all the horizontal and vertical component of this one. So it's going to be 3 minus 1, 1, 5. So I'll show you how to use that. So if I take 2, it's positive, and I have to use the AD minus BC formula. AD is going to be 3 minus 5. So AD minus B, if you wonder what is AD minus BC, this is ABCD, right? So this is AD minus BC. That's how we do. So AD 3 minus 5, 3 times minus 5, and minus 1, it's going to be minus 15. So minus 1 is going to be plus 1, right? So when we take second one, I had to put minus sign in front of this, because plus minus, if it's 4 by 4, we put plus minus plus minus. It will keep going on as long as the uh, coordinate, like row and column. If the column increases, it will go like that, right? So that's how we do. And this is minus 1, and if I take minus 1, I have to get rid of all the vertical and horizontal component of this. So only thing, so if I, it's going to be like this whole thing will go away. So 4, 5, minus 1, minus 5 remaining. Now I have to do the AD minus BC formula. So AD is going to be 4 times minus 5, it's going to be minus 20, and it's going to be 5 times minus 1, it's going to be minus 5, but if I took minus 5, it's going to be plus 5, right? Plus 5. And the third one is going to be minus 2, and if I take this will eliminate it, so 4, 3, 5, 1 is remaining. So if I multiply 4 by 1, it's going to be 4, and 5 by 3, it's going to be 15, minus 15, right? Minus 15. This is my top components, and in the bottom I had to do the same thing for this one, plus, minus, plus. So first of all, I'm taking 1. So if I take the 1 common, it's going to be 3 times minus 1 is going to be 15, and my 1 time minus 1 is going to be minus 1, minus 1 is going to be plus 1, right? That's how we do that. And the second one is going to be minus 1, because this is plus, minus, plus. So this is going to be minus 1 times, and here 1 times minus 5 is going to be minus 5, and 2 times minus 1 is going to be 2, minus 2, but minus minus 2 become plus 2. Then we take the third one, it's going to be minus 2, minus 2, so 1, 3, 2, 1 are left. 1 times 1 is going to be 1, and 3 times 2 is going to be 6, so minus 6. So if I solve for this, the top one, this one become minus 14 times 2 minus 28, this is plus 15, and the next one is going to be 22 over minus 14 plus 3 plus 10. So we have end up with this, and finally if I solve, it's going to be 9 over minus 1. So this is how they got minus 9 for x component. So since we have found the x components, I have to find the y components. You have to do the same thing. So since for x component I have swapped this value for this one, right? So I have swapped this one here for the first one, x1, x value. So if I want to do y, I have to swap this number with y values. For example, I swap this one here and then put that determinant on top, and if you find the answer, you will get 3. That's how they got 3. And for the z, you have to do the same thing. You have to put this one for the z and find the determinant and divide by the original determinant, and you will get minus 3 minus 4. This is how we use the Cramer's rule to find the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.